Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and let's get right into the video. And would you look at the portfolio? We're basically back to all-time highs in the portfolio this year. We just went right past 30,000. I thought like yesterday we had a position a chance to go over 30,000 in the portfolio, and not only did we go over 30,000, we went almost to 31,000, and we actually hit 31,000 for a little while after hours today, which is pretty insane. It's mostly due to my two, actually the whole portfolio, almost the market in the market in general, all up huge, huge. Look at that. Shopify up 5%, Neo up 3%, Corsair, which I haven't really been doing much with it. I just bought it and left it alone. It's slowly but surely been going up. If you actually look at Corsair as a whole in the past year, you can see it slowly trending upwards. You see, like, it's been hitting higher lows and slowly going up over time. And I know for a fact that this eventually will go back to all-time highs. And look at that. Neo broke past 11. I said it will probably go past $15. It will probably go past $15 if it keeps going up at this rate. And I was looking through the news on Neo, and look at this. I need to show you guys this. Something that actually, when I was reading, would made me very, very happy. What I've been waiting for finally is Neo is finally are expecting to start hitting some high delivery numbers. They're expected to hit 15,000 delivery numbers in July, and after they're expected to hit 20,000 in September, which is what we want to see. If they can hit 20,000 delivery numbers consistently, that's 250,000 units per year, which would make it eventually hit double of what it did last year. I believe it hit around 120, 130,000. If they can hit double 250,000, that'll be very good. That'll be very good. That's what we want to see, and hopefully it'll keep on going. But we just need to see consistent numbers, because I think it shows right here. Look at that. It says 6,000 in May, which was down 6,000 in April, and then they barely hit 10,000 again. But it's just going up and then down and up and down. But we need to see more consistency with, if we start seeing more consistency, then there's no doubt in my mind that Neo will go back up. We'll go back up easily. Easily, we'll go back up if we keep seeing some consistency. But I knew that this one was going to take a little while. I was expecting it for it to take a little while. I didn't expect it, obviously, to go back all the way down to $7, but I know that this one's going to be a long-term play. Neo, I will only average down on my position once I know that this company will become profitable consistently. So right now it's just a hold for me until it could become profitable, and that's mostly for all my positions that are unprofitable. Shopify, I'm done with this position, right? With this position, I know that it will become profitable soon. It's expected to become profitable, to do positive EPS of 6 cents, right? So if you can just consistently do that, that'll be nice. And I already have a very good position in this, huge position. I'm almost break even now. Finally, it took like a long time to do it, but once this baby starts hitting these numbers, it starts running, and it starts running fast. So like, look at the numbers. Look at that. In the past week, up 7%. Past month, okay. Past 3 months, look at those numbers. Past year, 100%. And I no doubt in my mind this will go back to all-time highs and continue to go up. So once it goes back to all-time highs, it'll be basically a 3x to where it is, what my portfolio value is. And I'll probably buy some more. Once I know for a fact it'll be 100% every single quarter positive EPS. And PayPal's at $70. $70. You guys could have got this earlier on. I think I was making videos about this like last month about PayPal. And if you would have got PayPal in this low 60s, you already having a positive position in this. And PayPal is slowly gonna keep continuing to go up. We already starting to see the trend. I think PayPal will do the same thing that Meta did and the same thing that Tesla did, and they are doing right now. Meta's already a plus 300, plus 300. The other day was under 300, and now it's over 300, and it's 310 now. It will go to 350 and 400. It will. And these ones, Meta and Tesla, they always have big dips where you can get some, and then it will just rocket up. And of course, Meta has had a rough time. I remember back in I think 2018, where I did a call with them. I bought a call option, but that was with I forgot what it was called. I think it was with a scandal that was going on. See if I can go back in time with this. If we can see, yeah, 2018. Let's see if I can see if there was an option play that I had. Where was it? Where was the option? Where's the option? I know that I had an option play on this. I don't remember, but I did have an option, and I lost big. I lost big on it. But Meta always has big dips. Every company. If you can go back in the history of Apple, there's probably lots and lots of dips that you could have bought, that any of us could have bought, and we would be up hundreds of percentage points. And Apple will continue to have lower percentage, high, big dips, right? Huge dips that we can buy in any company that you're interested in, whether it be a Shopify or Apple or even a penny stock, right? Especially penny stocks. There will be many opportunities to get into the stocks you like, where you can buy at dips, and when the dip is done, that's when you slowly stack your cash up and get ready for the next one. Because those dips, those are great opportunities to make money, and it's just a cycle every single time. And once you figure that out, your accounts will be growing big amounts. Because, like I said, you could have been doing it with Meta, where you could have been buying over here for like a couple months, right here, maybe from like July, for 6 months, 7 months straight, and then you could have, boom, stopped paying at 200, and now, after 200, you stack your cash up and be ready. Whenever Meta makes that dip again, and it will, whether it be soon, in the next 6 months, or after 400 or even 450, when it dips again, hopefully you guys will have enough money to, when it goes down again, to buy just that amount that you like, that if you still believe in Meta for the long run, to continue to buy. And then once that dip is done, you'll have your ride of 20, 30, 40, 50% up, which is awesome, amazing return. And you can stack your cash up and do it again every single time. And that's how you build huge positions in your portfolio. And that's what I plan on doing with Shopify. That's what I plan on doing with PayPal. Neo, same thing, whenever it becomes profitable. Corsair, Palantir also. Palantir is just in the beginning, in the infant stages of profitability. I know that this one, if it continues on the way that it's going, this will be a $20 stock. This year, $25, $30, $40, maybe $50 in 2-3 years. And it will continue to grow if it becomes a beast of a company. And that's what happens with profitable companies that grow, especially with Palantir. This is the beginning. This is just the beginning, guys. Same thing with Shopify. Shopify, almost profitable, just the beginning. I think Shopify will become a beast. I think Shopify, look at the market cap, 80 billion. This one has the potential to be huge. I am saying this can be 400, 500 billion plus. And even if you guys don't want to take that much of a risk and just want to invest in the companies that already have a huge footprint, like Tesla, Meta, Amazon, you could do that. The same thing. But yeah, look at that. Account almost over 31,000. Hit 31,000 for a little bit. Look at these numbers. I know that eventually we will have a little dip back down, but not today. Not today, guys. Like, look at that. You buy when you buy when the market is down, and then you let it ride when everything is riding up. And sometimes those markets that have been down, like it's been down for quite a while, you could have been buying for a long time, and your position would have been your positions, your accounts, your portfolios would be going crazy right now, like up 60%, up 50%. I'll make a video with my brother's account probably tomorrow, or maybe even later on, and I'll post it tomorrow, so you guys can see the huge gains that these accounts have been making. And obviously, this is just with the big growth, big tech, right? You can expect the same thing with dividend companies. Maybe not high percentage growth. You'll be able to do the same thing, but with less volatility. You can do it with companies like, let's see, you can do companies like, look at that, like AbbVie or McDonald's, Procter and Gamble, Berkshire, Visa, Disney. You can do it with those kind of companies. The same thing, where you can buy slowly. Your dips won't be that big, but your growth won't be that big either. But it will be consistent, and you will get dividends as well. And I plan on doing that too. I'll plan on making an account just like that, just like that. So I don't know when I would be able to do it, but eventually in the future, guys, in the future, once I have some extra cash where I can put maybe like $100 a week, I can probably do. That'll be pretty nice to build a account from completely scratch, like $0, starting from nothing, where you guys can see like a dividend account. Let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, that's the quick update. Please drop a like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow with another one. Peace.